Hi dear friend, welcome to Alphasauna. This is Jerry. Today I'm going to show our features to you. The video may be a bit long. Please watch it with patience. Let's go. The first stop is our sauna production workshop. You can see here it's very big and bright. This is where the wood is placed. And this is where the sauna will be installed. Our wood material has a good insulation effect, and at the same time, it will give you a good sauna experience. Let's enter the sauna room inside. There are benches in the sauna room where you can rest and relax or do other activities. Now, to introduce our cold plunge, you can see that the inner tub of our product is made of stainless steel. There is a seat in it for you to rest. Let's look at another product, which is also made of stainless steel. The shape of this one is different from that of the previous one. Then this is also our cold plunge. You can see it is very smooth on the outside. You can just lie down and enjoy your bath time.